Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll go step by step through setting up a MetaMask wallet as a browser extension on Google Chrome. First, visit the official MetaMask website at metamask.io. Once there, click Download and choose Chrome as your browser. This will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Add MetaMask as an extension, and when the installation is complete, open the extension to start the setup process. Agree to MetaMask's terms, then select Create a new wallet. You'll need to set a strong password. This will protect your wallet from unauthorized access. After setting the password, you'll see a caution message about your seed recovery phrase. This phrase is vital for accessing your funds if you forget your password or lose access to your device. Make sure to store it securely, such as in a password manager or on paper in a safe place. Once you've saved the recovery phrase, verify it by selecting the correct words in the order they were given. After successful verification, your MetaMask wallet setup will be complete, and you can start managing your crypto assets securely. That's it. Now you're ready to explore the world of cryptocurrency with MetaMask. If this guide was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.